When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you may be getting an extra boost for keeping your body healthy. Lemon juice may act as an appetite suppressant. Today, we will talk about the most asked question, that is, can eating or drinking ginger help me lose weight? Ginger is a flowering plant that is mostly cultivated for its root, an ingredient in cooking and baking. Ginger also decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. These properties lead some people to believe that ginger may promote weight loss. The medical literature indicates that ginger can work along with a healthy diet and exercise to help you reach a healthy weight. Ginger is typically used with other ingredients when weight loss is the goal. Let's explore how to use ginger to lose weight, the limits of its effects on weight loss, and which ingredients you should consider combining with ginger for the best results. But before we move on, we would really appreciate if you could like our video and subscribe our channel. Since we are a new channel and every interaction means world to us. So, without further ado, let's move on. How ginger can help you lose weight. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogales. These compounds stimulate several biological activities in your body when you consume ginger. Research indicates that obesity can bring on oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is caused by damage from free radicals in the body. Ginger's antioxidant properties help control these free radicals, and its anti-inflammatory properties can counter inflammation. These properties of ginger don't directly address excess pounds, but they do help prevent cardiovascular damage and other side effects of being overweight while you work to bring your weight to a healthy number. Other research supports the idea that ginger could play a role in weight loss as well. One small study found that overweight men who consumed ginger stayed fuller longer. A meta-analysis of studies that looked at ginger's weight loss benefits suggests that ginger has a significant effect on body weight and belly fat, waist-to-hip ratio. Gingerols encourage certain biological activities in your body. They have an anti-obesity effect, helping food to digest faster and stimulate the body to speed digested food through the colon. Research suggests that gingerols may stabilize your blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar stable can be key to losing weight. Ginger and lemon for weight loss. When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you may be getting an extra boost for keeping your body healthy. Lemon juice may act as an appetite suppressant, in addition to containing high amount of vitamin C. How to use ginger and lemon for weight loss. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your ginger tea or ginger drink might help you drink more liquids. This may keep you hydrated and feeling fuller longer, possibly improving your weight loss efforts. Drink a healthy lemon and ginger beverage 2 or 3 times a day to maximize the hydration and appetite-suppressing properties of ginger and lemon. If you like the information, please leave a like on the video, and if you want to add up something, leave a comment below. See you in the next one.